So what's up guys, this is your boy Bo Reason from VoLife, and today there's gonna be a regular vlog just checking in with you guys. I'm going out to get coffee because your boy, if you guys don't know, I do music. I was able to actually gain my first bit of money from my streams. My music is streamed on like Spotify and Apple Music. I looked on the streaming service that I use and I have like $18. I officially have been getting money off of my crafts. So that made me feel like very happy. So to celebrate for that today, I'm going to get some coffee. Some beautiful dark roast, double devil. I'm gonna give me 2 espresso shots because I'm feeling good today. And then on top of that, the book sale is going really well. If you guys don't know, I haven't really officially made a post on YouTube yet, but I do want to talk about it on a podcast. I finally finished a book I have been working on, actually in an old vlog. It's the 2nd of January. One of my resolutions was to finish writing my book. I have to see it published this year. It was early 2020 or around that time when I really got serious in YouTube. I was working on a book and then I finally finished it. It got published on January 11th. And I'm actually getting revenue from that. So it's a really good feeling. I mean, I know I'm just starting off with the book and I've been doing music for a while, but it's like my first time in my life where I'm actually getting paid off of like hobbies and like my crafts and stuff I actually like to do. And I know it's not much, but like for something to start off, like my books, I think right now it's like $40 some. Anyways, to celebrate for that, I'm going to buy myself some coffee. I'm gonna head out with the wife and Kaylee, and we're gonna go get some coffee.
It's so good for your vlog.
How is that for my vlog?
Like, that's some crack house.
Y'all hear Josie trying to steal my day? I'm trying to get some coffee and she's trying to go get some sweets from her baker.
I love my baker.
Tell her,
Red Velvet cupcakes.
tell her this is my day.
You love Red Velvet cupcakes.
I also love coffee and not driving
And you love
very
Red Velvet
far.
cupcakes because you know they're not dry.
Iced vanilla latte. Best fucking coffee ever.
Liar.
This tastes like success. It tastes like musical streams. It tastes like Spotify. Josie mad because she found a strand of hair on me. And I'm trying to tell her I have no clue where it came from. I swear. I swear.
Oh, that is nice. She got Lafayette, Coney Island.
Right, you got the burners up there.
Yeah,
Eastern Market.
Lafayette because you remember the other one, American Coney Island.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice that.
Kaylee. So we found ourselves from my mom's house after we got some coffee. This is her art room. It looks like really dope in here. Like all these pictures. That's Idris Elba. Like, you know, pictures of family and stuff like that. Like, this is my sister. This is an album cover she did for me. Man, you guys already seen this one. Really dope. So yeah. All this snow just makes me mad. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's terrible. Welcome to Detroit. I really despise the winters. This is why I'm moving to Memphis. Oh, it's still snowing. What's up guys, I'm going to show you guys a quick studio tour. This is where I do all my YouTube video game stuff. And here's my altar with my incense, my tarot cards. Here's my book collection, at least some of them. My favorite book, 48 Laws of Power. Some other books I want to show you, but I don't feel like bringing it out. But it's a Zelda book in here, 2 Zelda books. Comic book collection. Whole bunch of random games, random DVDs. Got the Yeti microphone. I have actually 3 lights. There's 1 and 2 and 3. These 2 were for Christmas. You know, the podcast, YouTube area, controllers. My PS5 is upstairs. This is the big screen TV. When I do game down here, the master chair. This is my podcast arm. And also, this is my bookshelf with a whole bunch of random stuff, collectibles, old cameras, controllers. This is a modern S box that actually still works. I just have to fix it because it always gets the 3 rings of death. An Xbox and a PlayStation 3. Oh, check this out. Jimi Hendrix. My mom got this for me for Christmas. Because I have a record player I got from my grandfather. Oh, you know, guitar collection. It's not even all of them. I still have 2 more that's upstairs. Excuse the basement. It looks a little crazy down here, but we're moving in the fall, so I'm not going to build walls down here, but I was going to. Well, I had to show you guys real quick. I forgot about the Game Boy Color SP. It still works. I just don't have any games, or I lost my battery pack. I mean, I lost the charger that goes to this. Oh, and I have a Bleach anime collection with a whole bunch of like books that goes to this same collection. As you see, that one. I have another one somewhere. A few more actually.